Hey guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to send scheduled email in Outlook, or how you can send the schedule or delay time emails in Outlook. So I'm going to show you how you can set the time for particular emails, so you can send the later on. So let's start with the video. Before you start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me go in my Outlook. So guys, I'm on my Outlook, so let me open the new email. So here I am going to compose the new email, so I just write the one email ID here and just type the okay. Sometimes you're very bad to remember things that, and if you want to send mail on particular time, and you need to remember it, don't need to remember it, you can schedule the emails. How you can do this? So if I want to mail for happy birthday, so I just search the happy birthday. Okay, wish you happy birthday. Okay, so write whatever you want. So just ignore the spelling mistake. Now if I send it now, it will be sent instantly. So if you want to schedule it, then go to the message section, or the in the message section you have to go in under the tag and click on this tiny arrow, and here you can see the option called property. Under the property you will have the option called delivery option. Okay, so under the delivery option you can see the option called do option says do not deliver before. So just hit the click on it, and here you have to select the date. So if you want to wish happy birthday, if tomorrow is a birthday, so I can select the 6, and here I can select the 12. Okay, it is 12 am night. To then okay, I just select the time 12 am, so my email not will not deliver till 12 am on till this date. Okay, so now you can close it and you can just click on send. But the problem is that if you set this delivery option, then your PC should be on. Okay, do not close your PC. If you close your PC, you can keep your PC on hybrid mode, but if you completely close your PC, then this mail won't be sent. Okay, so if you want to think, if you think your PC may be shut down, that you can make it expire after. You can apply this filter also, this you can trigger also. So if your PC shut down by mistakenly, or you think that your PC may be shut down, that you can use this, and you can use this for expire after. So you can change. Okay, okay, so if you apply this filter or trigger to the your mail, then this mail will not send after this time. Okay, you can, okay, this mail will be expire after this time, 12:30. Okay, so just close it. I don't want to apply. Okay, so just close it, and this will be apply. Now if I send it, so it won't be sent, it will be on outbox. Okay, let me check in outbox. Okay, in this, okay, I use this email ID, so you can see it is in outbox. It won't be sent until I selected date. So if I make it if I refresh my Outlook, and if I click on send and receive progress, and still it will won't be sent. Okay, it will be sent the selected date or time. So the problem is, don't shut down your PC or shut down your you can keep you have to keep on your PC to apply this delay options. So guys, I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.